Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Smart Speaker, and today I will show you how you can rename this device on your Google Home app. So at the first we have to open Google Home. Next, it's very important to choose our email that is actually linked to our speaker. So as you can see, in my case it automatically switched to this one, but I'm actually connected with this, so just simply switch. Then choose your speaker, tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, go for the device information, and then tap on the device name. As you can see right now, we can easily rename that one. So I'm going to call it Mi Smart Speaker. Click on the right upper corner to save. As you can see, the name was changed, and when we go back, it will also will be displayed right here. As you can see, the name was changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.